So, good day everyone. So, our topic for today is all about rhyming words. So, I have here learning objectives. So, at the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to A. Identify words that rhyme or have the same ending sound. B. Appreciate the song about rhyming words. 3. Perform the action of the song about rhyming words. So, what is rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. When you are figuring out if two words rhyme, use your ears to listen as you say the words. If they sound the same or similar, the rhyme. So, I have here an example of rhyming words. So, number 1, ass mask. Number 2, bug plug. Number 3, cookbook. Number 4, dirty 30. So number 5, each beach. So I have here an group activity. So how to play is when you click the green arrow to go the next slide, you will see a word at the top of the slide and there words underneath it. Only one of the three words will rhyme with the words on top. So the words to you and you will click the on picture for the word that rhyme. So which word rhymes with moon? The answer, so which word rhymes with dog? Tama. So which word rhymes with horn? Very good. So which word rhymes with house? Very good. So which word rhymes with tree? Very good. Which word rhymes with cat? Very good. Which words rhymes with lake? Very good. So I have here an individual activity. Put a check on the blank before each number if the words rhyme. Put an X if the words do not rhyme. So number 1, wish mish. Number 2, late fate. Number 3, pencil eraser. Number 4, pause jaws. Number 5, moon spoon. Number 6, dog frog. Number 7, horn door. Number 8, house mouse. Number 9, tree bee. So number 10, fish wish. So for your assignment, in each row circle the words that does not rhyme with the others. So example is dog log, sun frog. So in your notebook write the rhyming words. So that's all for today. Thank you.